Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn with Sahira. In this video, let us discuss whether C and C++ exam is hard or easy. By watching this video, you will come to know whether it is hard or easy. If you feel like it is hard, how you can turn it into easy subject, we will be discussing in this video in detail. But before starting, let me say you if you are new to our channel Learn with Sahira, subscribe it for more videos and don't forget to share this video with your friends too. If you want the notes of C and C++, all the long important questions as well as short important questions, expected ones, repeated ones, if you want the notes, you can text me on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is also Learn with Sahira. Text me there. I will be giving you easy, simple, and clear to understand notes. But note payment is must. I repeat, payment is must. Keeping this aside, wasting your time, my time, texting me, I will be replying you. That will be of no use. So if you are ready, you text me there. I will be giving you easy, simple notes. Okay. So keeping all these stuff aside, let us discuss whether C and C++ exam is hard or easy. It depends, ma. Like if you feel that exam will be hard, definitely how much you practice, how much you read, how much you prepare, how much you revise, it still looks like hard. But you feel like, no, I'm confident enough, it is hard, but I have practiced well, I have prepared well, I can get the passing marks, I can score O grade. If you think like that, definitely you will be confident enough to give your exam. And in that case, if you don't know the answer also, you will write and come the answer. So make sure that you practice the basics and small programs. Okay, whatever the important questions I have given you in my previous videos, like if you didn't watch that video, please go to our channel playlist semester 2 C and C++. You will be finding all the videos regarding C and C++ exam. Unit wise explanation videos are also available. Go to our channel playlist, you will be finding all the videos. Okay, if you don't practice or just memorize without understanding, it becomes hard. Okay, first thing is that you should not feel like C and C++ is hard subject. If you feel like it is hard, please keep that aside and feel like I have practiced well, I will be doing great in the examination. If you feel like it is hard subject, what you can do it to make easy, let us discuss. Okay, first you have to discuss on important and main topics whatever I have given you in my important questions video. I have given you the important questions, right? So in that you just focus on the important questions what I gave you. The other topics you just leave. Okay, like data types, basic program structure, basic C program structure I have explained you in unit 1 complete explanation. You watch that video. Formatted input and output, control statements like if, switch, loops, while, if, loops like while and do while, functions and arrays, structures and pointers, and also C++ topics like oops, object oriented programming, like we have class and object in it, and differences from C. Like what is the difference of C and C++? Already we have discussed each and every unit explanations we have seen, ma. So you please go through the playlist. So first important point to make C and C++ subject or exam hard with the easy, what you should do? You should focus on important topics. Then you have to practice writing simple programs. Okay, from unit number 2, 3 and 4, definitely I think they will ask you the programs. Okay, if not from 2, they will be asking from 3 and 4. So make sure you practice. Okay, I have also said you what programs they will be asking you, right? So if you want a separate video on programs, you just let me know in the comment section. I will try to make that video also. Okay, if you want a video on programs, how you have to write the programs, let me know in the comment section. So don't just go with the theory, you go with the theory at the same time you go with the problem programs and the example programs itself. Why? Because if they ask you specifically to write the program, definitely it is must to write the program. If you don't write, what will happen? The marks will be deducted. Okay, so make sure you write simple programs, not the lengthy ones or the long ones or the big ones. Okay, understand concepts, don't just memorize. I think in each and every video I say this point that you no need to memorize or remember, just understand. You can write the complete answer in your own words, but here programs are there, structure is there, so you need to understand perfectly. Okay, Use short notes and cheat sheets. Cheat sheets like cheat codes I will be giving you in my next video. Stay tuned. Definitely I will be uploading a cheat sheet video so that it will be helpful for the slow learners or the people who are thinking that C and C++ is hard. With that cheat sheets they can easily get passed. Okay, so you just make sure you have a look at my channel playlist. You will be finding the video. And also if possible you try to solve past papers like previous year question papers or model question papers will be there, no? If you try to solve it, or if you have a look at that papers, if you feel like yes this question already I have learned, yes this question I know, yes that what I have learned, if you feel like that, your confidence will increase. Okay, and the last one is please be stay calm and be confident. As I say you, if you be confident that yes I have prepared well, then only you can give your exam well. If you are like I am very worried about C and C++, what I need to do, how I should write, if you be in that state of mind, then you will be disturbed. Okay, you will be stressed. So make sure you are calm and confident. Whatever you know, you put it on the paper and come. If you get less marks, no one will ask you. If you get full marks, no one will say anything to you. So just make sure that your hard work comes with you. Yes, you are thinking, you are confident. So be confident. Even if you feel it's hard now, consistent practice can make it much easier by exam time. But only few hours, like one day is left for your examination. And now practicing is important, but also revising is really very important. Just give a reading and just have a look at the programs. Okay, don't worry, all the explanation videos I have uploaded. Go to our channel playlist, and shortly I will be also uploading the whole subject explanation as well as all short important question answers videos. Okay, so see you all in the next video. All the very best.